In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom product subtitle on Shopify. Adding a custom subtitle to your products can be a creative way to engage customers and enhance their shopping experience, giving them more context and enticing them to make a purchase. If you're running an online store on Shopify and have been wondering how to provide these inviting little snippets under your product titles, you're in the right place. To get started, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're there, navigate to the Online Store section on the left-hand menu and click on Themes. On this page, you'll see your current theme listed at the top. Click on the Actions button next to it, and then choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to display your product subtitles. In the new window that opens, you'll find several files and folders on the left side. Expand the Sections folder, and look for a file named producttemplate.liquid or something similar. That's where we're going to make modifications. Take a moment to carefully open this file, as the code here controls how your product pages are displayed. Look for the product title code within this file. It often reads something like raw iProduct.title and raw. Right below this line, you'll want to insert a new line of code for the subtitle. Here's where you'll input raw product.metafields.custom.subtitle and raw. Adding this snippet will instruct Shopify to look for a specific product meta field called custom.subtitle and display it right under the product title. The next step is creating this meta field for each of your products. Head back to your Shopify admin, and from there, select Products from the left-hand menu. Choose a product you'd like to add a subtitle to. Scroll down to the bottom of the Product Details page, where you'll find a section labeled Meta Fields. If it's not visible, you may need to click Add another meta field to create a new one. For the namespace, enter Custom, and for the key, type Subtitle. It's important that this matches the snippet we added to the theme file. Finally, under Value, input your desired subtitle text, and save your changes. Now, when you view your product on the storefront, you should see the subtitle displayed right below the product title. If it doesn't appear, clear your browser's cache or try viewing the page in incognito mode to rule out any temporary issues. This addition can truly make your product stand out, providing customers with that extra bit of information or enticement to click and explore further. It's a useful tool for highlighting important features or benefits unique to the product. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add custom product subtitles in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks to enhance your online store.